What if the secret to staying strong, lean, and energized as you age isn't in the gym, but in what you eat before bed? Hi, I'm Eric Berg from Seniorhealth today, and today I'm revealing a simple science-backed nutritional tweak that can stop muscle loss while you sleep, boost fat burning, and supercharge your recovery overnight. This isn't about grueling workouts or restrictive diets. It's about fueling your body smartly to protect your strength, metabolism, and longevity. If you're over 40 and noticing fatigue, stubborn fat, or fading muscle tone, this video is for you. Stick with me for a game-changing protocol that could transform how you feel every morning. Let's dive in. 1. The hidden threat of nighttime muscle loss. Let's start with something most people don't realize. One of the biggest drivers of muscle loss isn't what happens during the day. It's what happens while you're asleep. Your body doesn't shut off at night. In fact, it's working overtime on critical processes, repairing muscles, burning fat, secreting hormones, and regenerating tissues. But here's the catch: if your body lacks the right raw materials, especially amino acids, it can't rebuild. Instead, it starts breaking down your own muscle tissue for fuel in a process called nocturnal muscle catabolism. This isn't just a problem for bodybuilders. Muscle is your metabolic engine. It regulates blood sugar, supports insulin sensitivity, powers fat-burning hormones, and protects against frailty, falls, and even cognitive decline as you age. Think of muscle as your longevity currency. The more you preserve, the stronger and healthier you stay. But as we age, especially past 40, muscle loss accelerates due to stress, poor diet, or declining metabolic health. If you're waking up tired, weak, or noticing your strength slipping, despite exercise, nighttime muscle breakdown could be the culprit. Here's what's happening inside your body at night. During sleep, growth hormone peaks, especially in the first few hours, signaling muscle repair and fat burning. But if your blood sugar crashes, cortisol spikes, or there's no protein reserve in your bloodstream, your body turns to your muscles for amino acids, converting them into glucose through gluconeogenesis. This is most aggressive between 2 and 5 a.m. when blood sugar dips and cortisol rises to wake you up. Imagine your body as a construction crew repairing a house overnight. Without bricks, amino acids, or fuel glycogen, the crew tears down the house, your muscles, to keep going. Research backs this up. A 2022 review in the Journal of Nutrients found that muscle protein breakdown increases with age, especially when protein intake is inadequate at night. The consequences: weaker muscles, higher fat storage, poorer insulin sensitivity, and increased risk of frailty. But don't worry, there's a simple fix, and it starts with what you eat before bed. 2. Why nighttime nutrition matters. Let's break this down further. Your body needs a steady supply of amino acids during sleep to stay in a building state rather than a breaking down state. Without them, your muscles become the sacrificial lamb. This is especially true as we age because liver glycogen stores shrink, protein absorption efficiency drops, and stress hormones like cortisol become harder to regulate. If you're skipping dinner, eating too early, or not getting enough protein, your body has no choice but to raid your muscle tissue. Now let's talk about insulin. It's not just a blood sugar hormone. Insulin is a powerful anabolic hormone, meaning it helps build and preserve muscle by shuttling amino acids into your muscle cells. But here's the tricky part: you need insulin to be just right at night. Too much insulin from sugary snacks or high-carb meals spikes blood sugar, suppresses growth hormone, and halts fat burning. Too little insulin, common in those who skip meals or follow extreme low-carb diets, means your muscles can't access amino acids efficiently, leading to breakdown. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that stable insulin levels paired with a slow digesting protein source before bed significantly improved nitrogen balance, a key marker of muscle preservation, especially in older adults. The goal is insulin modulation, a gentle, steady response that keeps amino acids available without disrupting your sleep or metabolism. So how do you achieve this? It's not about eating a massive meal before bed. It's about strategic nourishment, giving your body the right tools at the right time. In the next section, I'll share the number one food to eat before bed to protect your muscles and optimize recovery, plus a simple protocol to make it work for you. 3. The power of casein, your nighttime muscle shield. The most effective food for preventing muscle loss while you sleep is casein protein, a slow-digesting, high-quality protein found in cottage cheese or as a standalone protein powder. Unlike whey protein, which is absorbed quickly within 2 to 3 hours, casein releases amino acids steadily over 6 to 8 hours, perfect for covering the entire night. Think of it like this: whey protein is like dumping a pile of bricks at the construction site at 9 p.m., only to run out by midnight. Casein, on the other hand, is like a slow, steady delivery of bricks from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., keeping the crew your body working without tearing down your muscles. The science is compelling. A randomized controlled trial in medicine and science in sports and exercise showed that consuming 30-40 grams of casein 30 minutes before bed significantly boosted overnight muscle protein synthesis, especially when paired with resistance training earlier in the day. This strategy also supports metabolic health by keeping insulin stable, avoiding fat storage, and preserving growth hormone production, which peaks early in sleep. Here's how to put this into action. Option 1, eat 1 to 2 to 1 cup of organic full-fat cottage cheese 30-60 minutes before bed. It's rich in casein and contains tryptophan, a precursor to melatonin and serotonin, which can improve sleep quality. Option 2, mix 25-35 grams of clean, additive-free casein protein powder with water or unsweetened almond milk. Add a dash of cinnamon or cacao powder for flavor, but skip sweeteners to avoid insulin spikes. To enhance this, consider these optional add-ons: a teaspoon of almond butter to slow digestion further and stabilize blood sugar, a pinch of sea salt to balance cortisol, especially if you wake up at 3 a.m. feeling wired, 200-400 milliliters of magnesium glycinate to relax muscles and deepen sleep. Timing is key. Eat this snack 30-60 minutes before bed. Too early and you miss the overnight window. Too late and digestion might disrupt deep sleep. This simple change can shift your body from muscle breakdown to muscle repair, helping you wake up stronger and more energized. 4. Common nighttime mistakes to avoid. Even with the right food, many people unknowingly sabotage their metabolism with common evening habits. Let's walk through the top 5 mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake 1, skipping dinner or eating too early. If you're an intermittent fasting fan, you might eat dinner at 5 or 6 p.m. and go to bed at 10 or 11. That leaves a 4 to 6 hour gap with no fuel, forcing your body to break down muscle for glucose. Eat dinner closer to bedtime around 7:30, 8:30 p.m. with protein like salmon or eggs and healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. This keeps your muscles fueled overnight. Mistake 2, eating high-carb snacks. Before bed, granola bars, fruit, or warm milk might seem healthy, but they spike insulin, suppress growth hormone, and cause blood sugar crashes, later leaving you groggy and inflamed. Choose low insulin impact foods like cottage cheese eggs or casein protein with a small amount of healthy fat. Mistake 3, using alcohol to fall asleep. Alcohol may help you nod off, but it disrupts REM sleep, raises cortisol, and suppresses growth hormone, accelerating muscle loss and fat storage. Swap alcohol for magnesium glycinate, 200-400 milligrams, or calming herbal teas like chamomile to support deep sleep. Mistake 4, fasted cardio after an underfueled night. If you sleep on an empty stomach and then do morning cardio without fuel, you're doubling down on muscle breakdown. Ensure adequate evening protein intake and consider a small amino acid or collagen boost before morning workouts. Mistake 5. Ignoring stress and sleep hygiene. High cortisol from stress screens or poor sleep habits overrides even the best nutrition. Limit screens an hour before bed, practice nasal breathing or the 4-7-8 technique, and keep your bedroom dark, cool, 65-67 feet and quiet. Consider adaptogens like ashwagandha for chronic stress. Fixing these mistakes flips your body from breakdown to rebuild mode, setting the stage for better recovery and health. Vary your science-backed nighttime protocol. Now let's tie it all together with a practical science-based nighttime protocol to prevent muscle loss, optimize fat burning, and enhance sleep quality. You don't need to overhaul your life, just plug these habits into your evening routine and let your body do the rest. Step 1, time your dinner wisely. Eat dinner 2.53 hours before bed to allow digestion without spiking insulin too close to sleep. Include a complete protein, salmon, turkey, eggs, or grass-fed beef, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, or ghee, light vegetables, spinach, broccoli, or zucchini. Avoid heavy starches or sugars which suppress growth hormone and cause blood sugar crashes. Step 2, add a pre-bed muscle preserving snack at 30-60 minutes before bed. Consume. Option 1, 1 to 1 cup full-fat organic cottage cheese. Option 2, 25-35 grams of casein protein powder in water or unsweetened almond milk. Enhance with 1 tsp almond butter for slower digestion, a sprinkle of cinnamon for blood sugar regulation, a pinch of sea salt to calm adrenals. Step 3, support sleep and cortisol. Naturally high-quality sleep is non-negotiable for muscle preservation. Here's how to optimize it. 1 hour before bed, dim lights, avoid screens, or wear blue light blockers. Take 200-400 milligrams magnesium glycinate to relax muscles and deepen sleep. Optional 100-200 milligram L-theanine or glycine to calm the nervous system. Practice 3 to 5 minutes of nasal breathing or the 4-7-8 technique to lower cortisol and boost melatonin. Keep your bedroom cool, 65-67 and dark for optimal hormone production. Step 4, track your progress. Try this protocol for 3 to 5 nights and monitor morning energy and focus, muscle soreness or strength improvements, sleep quality and nighttime waking, changes in waistline weight or muscle tone over 2 to 4 weeks. Even small improvements in nighttime recovery lead to big gains in strength, metabolism, and clarity over time. 6. Why this matters for longevity. Let's zoom out and look at the big picture. Your body is always in one of 2 modes, building or breaking down. Surprisingly, the time it does the most building or the most damage isn't at the gym or during your busy day, it's while you sleep. The last 2 hours of your day set the metabolic stage for the next 24 hours. If you go to bed undernourished, stressed, or with unstable blood sugar, your body breaks down muscle for fuel, leaving you weaker, fatter, and more fatigued. If you eat the wrong things like sugary snacks or alcohol, you block growth hormone, disrupt sleep, and worsen insulin resistance. But if you fuel with slow-digesting protein like casein and support your nervous system with proper sleep hygiene, your body enters a deep recovery state. You preserve muscle, burn fat, and wake up with better energy, focus, and resilience. This isn't just about looking good. Muscle preservation impacts everything: blood sugar control. Muscle acts like a sponge, soaking up glucose to keep insulin sensitivity high. Fat burning. More muscle means a higher metabolic rate even at rest. Physical independence. Strong muscles prevent falls and frailty, keeping you active into your 70s and beyond. Brain health. Muscle supports cognitive function by reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. A 2023 study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience linked higher muscle mass to better cognitive performance in older adults, proving that protecting your muscles protects your mind. By making these small changes, eating casein, timing your meals, and optimizing sleep, you're not just preserving muscle, you're investing in a longer, healthier life. Here's your challenge. Don't go to bed on autopilot tonight. Try this protocol, eat a balanced dinner, add a casein-rich snack 30 to 60 minutes before bed, and support your sleep with magnesium and deep breathing. Track how you feel tomorrow morning. Are you less stiff, more energized, or sleeping deeper? These small changes can transform your health over time, helping you stay strong, lean, and vibrant as you age. If this video gave you value, hit that like button and subscribe to Senior Health today. We post science-backed practical health tips every week to help you thrive in your 40s, 50s, and beyond. Join our growing community of health-conscious seniors across the United States and take control of your longevity. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's one nighttime habit you're going to try to protect your muscles and boost your energy? Share your story below. Let us know your name and where you're from in the US. I read every comment and can't wait to connect with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.